This right here is the Oscal Modern 8 smartphone. It is a sub-brand of Blackview and it is a budget smartphone. A very good budget smartphone in my experience, and I am here to talk about it. This phone is powered by the Unisoc T616 processor with a total of 16 gigs of RAM. The battery is a 6000 mAh with a 6.75 inches in-cell display and then a 50 megapixels AI camera. And then inside the box you have everything including an 18 watts charger, a USB-C cable, and then you also have the manual or the user guide. For the design, it is made out of rubber material with a sturdy feel and also glossy. This one is not a fingerprint magnet. The build is durable and I love this particular color. This one is the harsh gray color and it does look a lot like blue and somehow black. What do you guys think? Anyways, I think it's a combination of all. And then you have the smartphone in two other different colors. You have the Wisteria purple and the Ripple blue color. Lovely color names. But the actual thing is the performance of the smartphone. I also love how it feels holding the smartphone. Despite being glossy, it is not slippery. And that is where the black color case comes into play. So to avoid scratches, use it with the included case on. So for overall design, this is beautiful, especially considering the flat sides and also the thin body. So if not for the camera module here, it should have all sides flat. So for external features, you have the speaker grill and then the USB Type-C, the microphone and the 3.5mm jack for earphones. And then you have the SIM card tray on the left and then the volume rockers and the power button on the right side. The power button is also the fingerprint. The display is a 6.75 inches in-cell display. It is also a Full HD Plus display with a 450 nits of brightness. And surprisingly, this display refreshes at 90 Hz and has a smooth response to touches. And also colorful. It is an IPS display and it has slim bezels. This is something I love about this phone. The screen to body ratio is 90%. So just a little more, it should have been a bezel-less display. So for media consumption, you have nothing to obstruct your experience. There is only a water drop notch housing the front camera, but the color is good for every media consumption. You have tons of options if you love to customize your phone, and there is also a feature that helps to enhance your gaming experience. Even though the processor here isn't described as a gaming chip, but you can easily enjoy a good 3D games with good colors. But aside from that, this one offers a smooth operation with a clean multitasking experience, and it does not hang around in any way. You have an ample space, both the RAM and also the storage, and you can also expand the storage if you so desire. You have an 8 gigs of RAM that can be expanded, and the processor speed is clocked at 2.06 GHz, coupled with the Android version 13 and the Duke OS 4.0. You have a system manager that optimizes the phone and also the health app for your personal care, amongst other features. Another outstanding feature of this smartphone is the battery, the 6000 mAh battery here. It is one of the key selling points of this smartphone. Now imagine having an affordable smartphone of less than $100 with a very good battery life. Honestly, that is a good value for money. The fingerprint also gets the job done precisely, but not as fast as you would expect, but it is fine. So far, sharing my experience of the Oscal Modern 8 smartphone. I know some of you have something in mind that you want to talk about this smartphone, and you can only do that if you are subscribed to my channel. So please don't go anywhere yet. Kindly subscribe to my channel right now. It is totally free, and then drop your thoughts already. The main camera is a 50 megapixels lens and it is a Samsung lens. Seriously, the performance did not disappoint. You have colors and clarity in its images and also some good level of details. Although high dynamic range seems to be missing in some aspects, but the picture quality is good. And also the video are 1080p videos, both for the selfie camera and the rear camera. And they have nice colors too. So my final thoughts for this smartphone. Honestly, I'm impressed with the overall performance as a budget smartphone. And also it is affordable, but it is only a few that knows about the brand. Blackview make one of the best smartphones out there. And sincerely, I would love for you to try this one out. It has a very good battery life, an anti-scratch body, and also a good AI camera. So right now you can get it for less than $100 at AliExpress. There's an ongoing promo and the link is in this video description. And please, before you leave, let me know what you think about this smartphone. So please, if you're new to this channel and watching this video right now, please kindly hit on that subscribe button. It is always and totally free. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.